Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi kepada semua murid-murid CBN. Okay, so sebelum kita start, okay, share dulu pada kawan-kawan. Okay, kita nak discuss, we want to discuss the chapter 1 again. Still chapter 1, function. But today our objective is to discuss self-practice 1.7. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, self-practice 1.7 and intensive practice 1.2. Okay, that is what is being requested by you guys. So okay, before we start, okay, just give us 5 more minutes before we start. Okay, please share and attendance akan ambil okay, please make sure you write down your names, and then this attendance I will be pass this attendance to the school management, sebab kita akan ambil berapa bilangan murid yang boleh untuk live macam ini dan berapa murid yang tak boleh live. So those murid yang tidak boleh live because of the certain reason, so I will give them another homeworks, right? Okay, so okay, kita baru ada lebih kurang 3 orang baru. Okay, baru start saja ni. Okay, kita tunggu sekejap. Okay, 11:50 we may start 11:50, 1150. Okay, another 4 more minutes. Okay guys, please share pada kawan-kawan yang boleh join kita punya live class macam ni. Kalau anda ada kawan-kawan daripada kelas-kelas lain atau sekolah-sekolah lain, you also may share this link to them. Maybe they can meet with us untuk buat something revision. Okay, we just want to revise the chapter 1 saja. Okay. Okay, someone said dekat group cikgu sila tolong bagi link. Okay guys, please share to them the link. Okay, you guys yang sudah log in ini, please share the link to them. Okay, our class member tak ada, dia kata minta share the link. Okay, tolong share link pada kawan-kawan. Okay, 1 more minutes 1 more minutes before we start So now it's already 11:49. Okay. Alright. So less than 1 minute. Right. Okay, thank you Dania. You sudah share the link. Okay, now it's 11:50. Okay, so we may start now. Okay, so alright. So as being requested by you guys, okay, you want to discuss self-practice 1.7 and intensive practice 1.2. So we discuss each of the question. We discuss from number 1 until number 7. sorry, 1 to 7, 1 to 5, okay, 1 until 5. But if I'm not mistaken, number 3 and number 4, KBAT question is already, we already discussed the number 3 and number 4 before. So maybe I will share the video later. So now let's discuss number 1 and number 2 first. All right, so look at number 1. Saya practice 1.7, right? So number 1. So what's the soalan given to you? Okay, given that the function fx equals to x over by x plus 1, where the x cannot be equals to negative 1. All right. Now, the function given is x over x plus 1, where x cannot equals to negative 1. All right. This is the function given to you by the soalan. This is the function, and this is the condition. Okay, now, all right, this condition, how we obtain this condition? This one very important. This one very important, especially for those especially those function that we have a fraction like this in the fraction manner like this. Okay, so if we want to find, okay, normally they didn't give you this one. They need you to list the condition yourself. So how we list the condition? Very easy. Look at your denominator of this fraction. Your denominator is x plus 1, right? So from the denominator x plus 1, you let equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to negative 1. Then you make a conclusion, x cannot equals negative 1. All right. So this is how, okay, this is how we get x cannot equals to negative 1. This is the condition. When the x equals to negative 1 and you substitute here, it becomes something over by 0. Something over by 0, your calculator akan tunjuk apa? Math error. Alright? That means the answer will be infinite. Okay? So that's why we cannot have x equals to negative 1 here. That's why we need to write down the condition. How I get this condition? Yeah, the textbook give us the condition already. But if the textbook if the soalan didn't give you this condition, how we get this condition? Very, very easy. Just take the denominator and we let the denominator equals to 0 and we solve it. This x become a subject, then x equals to negative 1. Therefore, we just let x cannot equals to negative 1. Very straightforward. That is how we get this answer, this condition. All right. Now, that is not the question. The question is, find the iterated function f2, f3, f4. So the soalan got, we got 2 questions actually, but the question A, we got 1 Roman, 2 Roman, and 3 Roman. A, first Roman is f double. The second is f cube. Okay, f cube. And number 3 Roman is f4 x. Okay. The soalan asking you to find the f double x, f cube, f4 x. What's that mean? The meaning of this is a composite function actually. F double means ff. F triple means fff. F cube means triple of f. F repeated 3 times. F4 means 4 times of f. That means for f double, very straightforward. We just split the f double so that it become ffx like this, because there is a 2f here because of f squared, f double. So you know how to compose, right? So we just do the normal composite function. Okay, they are asking about composite function. Yes. Okay. So how do we get the composite function from here? So as usual, we just write down the fx that we put inside the bracket. We just replace with the function of x. Okay. So the f double x equals to fx. We just split the function, and then the function inside the box we just replace with that function. And then what we need to do is, this is a composite. When we talk about composite, this makcik you need to insert into F, the front F here. So how do we insert? Look at the function of F here, the original. We got X and X, top and bottom. All the X value, if you still remember, I told you, you need to remove that X and put it the big bracket. So that's how we compose the function. So it will become right. So the function of F is X over X plus 1. X over X plus 1. I told you that X you need to remove and put it the big bracket. So this big bracket you need to fill in with this whole makcik here, X plus X1. That is what we call composite, or the other name insert. Not expand. It's not expansion, but inserting. So we just insert the value X over X plus 1, X over X plus 1, and we simplify it. We need to simplify this equation. Okay, we need to simplify. You see, the equation become more harder because it's a fraction over a fraction plus number. So you need to simplify the bottom first. Okay, the bottom equation. So when we simplify the bottom equation, okay, it's supposed to be over X plus 1 over X plus 1. Yeah, you're supposed to get this. X over X plus 1 plus the big one. This big one you convert become a fraction by times with the denominator X plus 1, X plus over by X plus 1, and simplify that things. You're supposed to get X plus 1 over by X plus 1. Okay, so you simplify this makcik, it's supposed to become like this. Now from here, a fraction over a fraction. So this fraction, the denominator fraction, you need to bring up so that it become, what happened to the fraction when we bring up the denominator? The fraction will be twist. The fraction will be shifted the location. All right, the denominator akan naik atas, and this thing we bring down. We need to put down. Okay, when bring this equation up. Okay, so what will happen next is right. So I simplify this equation. So the denominator here, okay, X plus X is 2X plus 1 over by X plus 1. Then this thing I bring up here, the fraction will be shifted. It will be terbalik, okay? So X plus 1 will be on the top, 2X plus 1 will be at the bottom like this. So this is a fraction time fraction. There's no longer over here, okay? So what we can do is X plus 1 are repeated. So we can simplify it so that it becomes X over 2X plus 1. This is the end of the solution. So this is what we call F double. Okay, F double. So F double means FF. So this equation, this function, just substitute with the equation. So this equation you need to insert into the another F here. So it becomes this one. Simplify everything, then you will get X over 2X plus 1. Okay, it's it's not complicated here, but it's more to what we call that? More to the algebra things. Okay, more to algebra. So be careful when you replace and simplify the equation. All right, so that is F double. How about F cube? So for F cube, okay, for F cube, okay, Shopee dah habis color sebab I punya Shopee everything semua tinggal kat sekolah. Oh, so tak ada, sebab tak boleh keluar rumah. Okay, tapi tak apa, nanti I nak keluar beli Shopee lagi ni. Okay, so now F cube. Okay, F cube pula very easy. That means F, right? There's a triple F. Okay, F cube means F. Okay, nampak ya? F cube means F. You see here what we can. Okay, sini yang sangat best. Why? Because F actually is a combination of F and F double. F, the first F just remain, and the next two F here is FF, we can assume as F double. So we can simplify the F cube becoming F double. Okay, we can simplify. So F cube actually equals to F double X. Alright, nampak ya? So F cube equals to F double X. Okay, F double is we already obtained here, right? So we just masuk saja. So it become it's supposed to be like this. Okay. So F triple equals to F double. F double X we already obtained here. So X plus X over by 2X plus 1. We just substitute. That means this F double, we need to sub into the F in front here. So look at the function of F, normal F. X over X over X plus 1. So insert. As usual, it's supposed to be a bracket over by a bracket plus 1. Alright? So we sub into the bracket X over 2X plus 1, X over 2X plus 1, and we simplify so that it become X over 2X plus 1 over by X plus 2X plus 1 over by 2X plus 1. Okay? You are supposed to get this one. Okay? So when we now we are talking about composite. So this equation, we want to insert into F here. Okay, then when we insert into F, it becomes this one. Be careful, So now it becomes X over 2X plus 1 over by X over by 2X plus 1 plus the big one. Simplify the plus big one here, it becomes this. We need to times this one with the denominator 2X plus 1. So it becomes this one. Simplify the bottom first. You simplify the bottom equation, the bottom fraction, and bring up that fraction to the top. So it become times, Okay, it become times, right? You're supposed to get like this. So X over 2X plus 1 remain here, but the denominator here, X plus 2X, actually is a 3X plus 1 over by 2X plus 1. So this fraction I bring up here, it become 2X plus 1 on the top, 3X plus 1 will be the denominator, because that is the character of fraction when you bring up the fraction to the top. Okay. So the 2X plus 1 and the 2X plus 1 cancel each other. So the answer will be X over 3X plus 1. Okay. This makcik cancel each other. So X over 3X plus 1 is the answer for F cube. Okay, now, any question, everyone? Ada ke? PUBG. Mana ada PUBG? Oh, okay, saya faham. Okay, bagus. Okay, there's no PUBG here. Alright, I tak main PUBG. PUBG kanak-kanak saja. Okay, I main lain je. I main benda-benda lain. Benda-benda yang baik-baik je. Okay, so that is your F cube, right? Okay. F cube. Now we want to determine the F4. Okay, so F4, okay. Okay, now F4. F4X. 4, So F4 actually is a combination of F, 4 times of F. Okay, so F, X. Alright. So just leave the first F here. Now what we can see, there's a triple F there. Triple F we already obtained from the previous question, which is F cube, right? Okay. The triple F here, the last triple F, actually is a F cube. F cube, we already get the answer of F cube before. What is that? So we just substitute the F cube into the equation. So it becomes x over 3x plus 1. Okay? The F cube, based on the previous jawapan, F cube is x over 3x plus 1. So I just replace the F cube here. Okay? So please remember, F4, that means there is a 4 times of x. So just leave the first F there. So the back 3F here is a F cube. F cube is, we already found the value, which is x over 3x plus 1. That's why I replace it. So this is another composite function. So x over 3x plus 1, you need to insert into F. So look at your equation of F, your function F. Your function F originally is this one, x over x plus 1, right? So all these x, you need to replace with the big bracket. So it will become, it's supposed to be like this. Okay? X over x plus 1. But I told you, all the x, you need to replace with the big bracket. So what we need to put inside this big bracket is this much. The F cube here. We need to put it inside the two big bracket here. So we bring, when we sub into the big bracket, okay, and then, okay, now we already sub into, right, sub this whole thing into this two bracket. Now what we need to do is we solve the problem. So simplify the plus 1 here. Be careful, plus 1, I told you, you need to turn with the denominator of 3x plus 1 to 1 here, so that we can make this equation become a simplest fraction. So more to algebra, yeah, you guys need to do with, you guys need to do more exercise on the algebra. So over by x plus 3x plus 1 over by 3x plus 1. You're supposed to get this one. Okay, so x over 3x plus 1 over by x plus 3x plus 1 over by 3x plus 1. The denominator here, you simplify, it becomes this one. X plus 3x actually equals to 4x. Alright, so because of the fraction over by a fraction, the denominator fraction you need to bring up so that it becomes x over by 3x plus 1 times with 3x plus 1 over by x plus 3x is a 4x plus 1. Okay, as usual, sama saja like the first question. So the x over by 3x plus 1 just remain on the top, but the denominator here you bring up, it become the 3x plus 1 denominator will be on the top, but 4x plus 1 will be the denominator. So 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 cancel each other because they are same thing. So the final answer will be x over 4x plus 1. That is your F for x. Okay guys, any question? Ada soalan? If you have a question, you may leave your soalan on the live chat here. Nanti kita akan go through balik. Okay, ada soalan? Before I proceed to the next. Okay. So may I proceed to the next question? Okay, Kim Yuji. Okay, Kim Yuji kata baik. Okay. No, Shuhan no. Okay, Milia no. Okay. No, okay or not? Okay, you understand or not? Boleh. Oh yes. Okay, right. Okay, so let's continue to the question B, question B, question B. Now, what is settled 1B? Hence, write the function of f apa ni? I tak nampak daripada gambar yang you guys send to me ni. Tapi I rasa F20, I think. Right? F20. Is that correct? F20 and F berapa tu? Okay, please write down dekat chat ni. So, kita boleh bincang. F20, I think. The first one. Gambar tak apa clear. Okay, tapi tak apalah. I assume there is a F20. Okay. Alright. Ini yang best ni. If I'm not mistaken, there's one student from 4C. She asked me, siapa nama makcik tu? Sweating, something like that lah. Okay. She asked me about this question. Not this question, but similar like this kind of question. When the F is become F99, F2000, whatever F value. So how to find that function? Okay, soalan dia ialah F20 and F23. Okay, thank you. So, very easy. Okay, now, you see here, before we solve the problem, you need to look the pattern. Sweating. Okay, thank you, Syuhan. Okay, sweating terbatuk dia, I sebut-sebut nama dia. Okay, now, look at the pattern. This is our soalan, right? First, we want to find the F double. F double equals to x over 2x plus 1. When we are talking, when we want to find the F cube, the jawapan is x over 3x plus 1. When we want to find the F fourth, the answer is x over by 4x plus 1. What we can see here is there's a pattern. When F double, x over by 2x plus 1. When F cube, x over 3x because cube 3 plus 1. When F four, x over by 4x plus 1. That means if F10, F10, it will be x over 10x plus 1. That is the pattern. Okay, that's why before you solve the problem for 1B, you need to find the pattern from the 1A. Okay, so the soalan for 1B, okay, I do here, okay, 1B. F20, okay, F20 from Mila said F20. F20 means from the pattern itself, it must be X, right? X. But over by, ini yang important, 20X plus 1. That is the answer. F20 equals to X still remain, plus 1 still remain, over still remain, but the problem is in front of X here. This is 20. This is based on the power here. If this one is 100, this one will be 100. If this one is 20, this one will be 20. Because, how to prove that? Because when F4, the front number is 4. When, mana tadi? Makcik tadi. Okay. When F double, the front of F is 2. When F cube, the front number is 3. That's what we call pattern. Okay, to solve this problem, you need to look at the pattern. Okay, so faham ya? Sangat mudah. So, the 1B is F20 equals to x over 20x plus 1 like this. F20 equals to x over 20x plus 1. And the second question is what? F23. Okay, F23, tak ada masalah. Bagi sampai 1 million also doesn't matter. But do we need to do the step? No. Because we already have the step in first question. Okay, the first question, 1A, we want to identify the pattern. That's why because the soalan 1B, hence, they are using hence words. Hence means we just list the value or just list the answer without do the working method. Because we already working method on the seterusnya. Seterusnya I think hence. Okay, very important, the keywords are hence. That means you cannot rewrite your methods. If you rewrite the methods when the soalan have the words hence, even though your final answer is correct, it will be wrong. Okay, be careful, right? Please be careful with the huruf hence. Okay, so we just write down the answer. Okay, so F23, how we find the F23? Very easy, look at the pattern. It's supposed to be what? It's supposed to be x over by 23x plus 1. Okay, x over by 23x plus 1. Okay, that will be the function. Any problem, everyone? Okay, you may respond on the chat live. Okay, kalau tak ada masalah, we proceed to the next question. Can we? Okay, everyone, I think still sedang loading, but I believe that it's not so hard. Alright. So let us proceed to number 2, right? Okay. Okay, faham. Okay, thank you. Alright, Stella Winter. Siapa Stella Winter ni? Okay. Farah ada tak hari ni? I tak nampak dia. Farah, mana makcik ni? Asyik tak ada je. Okay. Alright, so okay, there's a question here. Cikgu maknanya we can write down the kita boleh terus buat jawapan lah. Yes. Yes, because the word of hands. But if there's no word of hands, that means you need to show all the proper method. You need to show all the steps, then find the answer. But if we have the word hands, we can skip a lot of method, a lot of steps. We can jump to the conclusion. Okay. Apa lagi ni? Cikgu, Cikgu Farah. Apa Cikgu Farah Kim? Apa ni? Tak faham. Cikgu Farah Kim. Okay. Maksudnya Farah dia tukar nama. Okay, Farah. Okay, macam ni Okay. Okay, tapi kenapa jalan kira macam panjang? What's that mean? Jalan kira macam panjang. Jalan kira macam panjang ialah because of the first question, 1A. 1A, we need to find. 1A, yes. 1A, we got 3 things we need to identify. F double, F cube, and F fort. That's why jalan dia panjang. But in 1B, hence, by using the answer that we obtained from the first A, find the F20, find the F23. Okay, memang jalan dia panjang on the first 1A, but on the AB sangat mudah. Okay, Farah, okay, kawan you sudah tegur you, jangan tidur. Okay, kesian cikgu, kesian Farah. Okay, korang ni sian je, bully dia. Alright, now that's all about the 1A, question number 1, alright? Now look at the 1B, alright? So, 1B, fx is given similar like number 1 also. Okay, so number 2 number 2a. Okay, sorry, before that, the function given is fx equals to 1 over x, where the x cannot equal to 0. Okay, that's the short, right? Now soalan A is usual. Find the first Roman, find the f double, similar like first question. F double, F triple, F fort. Sangat mudah. Semudah ABC. If you still remember, I told you, ingat always remember that. Back in your mind. MS is always semudah ABC. Okay. So, jangan korang takut sangat MS ni. Okay. So, this is the soalan. So, we have fx equals to 1 over x. First, we want to find the f double, followed by f cube, followed by f fort. So, very easy. F double ialah ff. F cube means f, triple f. F fort means 4 of f. Okay, repeated 4 times. So f double, as usual, we need to find the f double first. So, we just write down the ff and we split the f into f bracket fx and we sub the function 1 over x here. Alright. So f double equals to ff. Ff in here you need to split so that it becomes f big bracket fx. This fx inside the big bracket means 1 over x. Just cut and paste. And 1 over x here you need to insert into this front f. Okay. So when you insert in front of when you insert into this f, so what will happen? Look at the function of fx original. It is a 1 over x, right? So it's supposed to be 1 over a bracket. Okay, this is modulus. Okay, 1 over a bracket. The original f here is 1 over x. So I told you all this huruf x you need to replace with the big bracket. So it becomes 1 over big bracket. The big bracket you need to fill in with 1 over x. So what will happen when you simplify? So it becomes 1 over 1 over x here. 1 over 1 over x. 1 over 1 over x, when you simplify, it's supposed to be huruf x. Okay? You bring up the 1 over x to the top, it becomes x over by 1 times 1, x. That is the answer for f double. How about f cube? Okay, for f cube means f double, right? It's a combination. F cube, if you still remember the first question, f cube. F cube equals to f double. F double we already obtained. How much? The answer is x. Okay? F double x here, answer is what? X. See, I just write x here. So fx, how much the answer? Fx, right? Same, right? Fx. So the answer is 1 over x. Sangat mudah, habis. Because the soalan here, fx. This one also fx. Sama saja. Cut and paste. Okay? See how easy it is, the composite function. And now, f4. Okay, sangat mudah. Bagus, Farah. Farah kan? Yalah, betul lah, Farah. Okay. So, f4. f4 means 4 times of f. That means it's a combination of f and f cube. So, we just write down f cube first. Okay. We just write down the f cube. And we know that f cube, the answer of f cube, how much tadi? 1 over x, right? So, this f cube, we can replace with 1 over x. We can replace the f cube with 1 over x. Now, 1 over x, you need to insert into f. 1 over x, f. Look at the f double here. F double also f1 over x. Same thing, right? They are the same method. Okay? Same method here. F double, f1 over x. F1 over x. So, when we do the calculation, then we're supposed to get x, right? So, this answer also equals to x. Now, this is what I told the pattern. So, if you look at the f double, the answer is x. When you have the soalan is f cube, the answer will be 1 over x. When the f become 4, the answer is x again. What we can conclude here is when the f is even number, f with an even number power here. Even number. It's not a power, but it's a power. I just assume as a power. So if the number is even, nombor genap, the answer always x. X when f2, x when f4, x when f8, x when f200, even number, right? X. But when f is a cube, that means it's a odd numbers. Either f equal to 3, f equal to 5, f5, f7, f11, f99, f1001, whatever, the answer is always 1 over x. That is what I told you, the pattern. You need to identify the pattern. So, if I have additional question, let's say F2001. Macam mana korang nak buat? F2001. Takkan nak buat 2000 kali kan? Betul tak? Okay, itu BS lah kan? So, that's why I told you, look at the pattern. Identify the pattern. Okay? So, 2001 is the odd numbers. Odd numbers refer to second Roman. It's an F cube here. So the answer will be, berapa jawapan dia? Semudah A, B, C. 1 over X. Sangat mudah. Okay. So, settle Alright. Now, look at the question B. Question A settled. Now question B, 2B. Values. Now we are talking about values. So, when we talk about values, so the first question, B1 Roman is F40, 2. F40, F40, the value of x is 2. Okay. Before we solve the problem, F40, 40 is even numbers. So even numbers, according to the 2a, even numbers, the answer is always x. So the answer is x. So the answer is x, which is equals to 2. So we know that F40 is x. Now x, when this is 2, right? 2 is object. 2 is object. So when we replace x with 2, the answer x equals 2. That's all. Sangat straightforward. Now, how about F43? F43, right? Yeah, F43, and the object is 2. F43, object is 2. F43 is odd numbers. Odd numbers, you need to refer to F cube. The answer is 1 over x. So, F43 actually equals to 1 over x, right? 1 over x. But now our object is 2 here. You need to sub into this x. This x is an object, right? So you need to substitute the 2 here. So what will happen? The answer will be 1 over 2. Yes. Kim Eugene. Memang macam itu di jawapan. Okay, jawapan dia memang macam tu. Very straightforward. Women are expensive. Yes, of course I know. Alright. So, any problem, guys? Any problem? No problem, I hope you guys faham, for question number 1 and question number 2. Settle. Okay, settle, Alright. So, that will be the... Oh, belum habis lagi, I thought dah the end dah. Saya practice 1%. There's one more question, I think. Number 3 and number 4 we already discussed last week, I think. Yeah, last week kita sudah decide. The number 3 and number 4 is a KBAT question. It's a hot question. So, itu pun senang sebenarnya, tapi you guys kena... Oh, I think I didn't share yet the video. But okay, nanti later I will upload the video, number 3 and number 4. And number 5, yeah, number 5 is also a KBAT question. It's not KBAT. Yeah, number 5 also some like KBAT jugalah. Okay, some like KBAT. Cikgu, kalau nombor dia selain dari 2 dan kurungan tu, yes, okay. Okay, kalau contoh soalan tadi, masih soalan nombor 2 tadi, ni kawan you ada tanya. Okay, kalau contoh F40 bracket 3, that means you just cut the paste the function first. F40 is a even number, right? Look at the function, the pattern, and then you sub into that function with 3. So the answer will be 3 ataupun 1 over 3, something like that. Okay, jawapan dia akan jadi 1 over by nombor dalam bracket tu ke? Yes, correct. You already answered your question. Okay. So memang sangat mudah, kan? Okay. Now number 5. Okay, number 5 is KBAT. Okay, I assume KBAT because soalan tak bagi you any kind of function there. The soalan just only give question just give you the words, and then you need to produce your own equation, your own function. Okay, so maybe that's a bit harder for you. Okay, this soalan similar like to number 3 and number 4 that we discussed last week. Okay, so let's do number 5. All right, number 5. So number 5, a small stone is thrown into a compound and produce a circular ripple. Okay, ripple. Okay, it's a circular shape. Okay, gelombang. It's a wave. What's that? Gambar tak nampak. The radius. Apa tu? The radius on the ripple R in cm is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. That means the ripple size, the ripple circular shape tu semakin expand the size. When how the circle expand the size? Because of the radius of the circle expand. Every second it expand at 3 cm. That means every 1 second 3 cm additional. Okay, find an expression for the radius r in terms of time after the stone is thrown. That means we want to identify the function of radius based on time. Okay. First, this is circle. Okay. This is a circular measure, circular ripple. So it's a circle. So as we know that dia ada huruf R, which or what we call that radius ataupun jejari. Okay. So this R expand every second by 3 cm. Every 1 second, 3 cm additional. Okay. So now soalan A, find the radius function in term of time after the stone is being thrown. Okay. So radius, very easy, R in term of time. So we just write R. Kecil sangat. Okay. R in term of time, R bracket T. So what is the equation? Very easy. So every 1 second, the expansion of the radius become 3, right? So we just write RT equals to 3T. RT, the function of R in term of T equals to 3T. Kenapa 3T? Because 3 because of its expand per second is 3 cm, right? And then why I put T out at the back of 3? Because if the T is 1 second, the expansion is 3 cm. If the T is 2 seconds, the expansion will be 3 times 2, 6 cm. And so on. Okay? So that is the reason. So the answer for 5A is RT equals to 3T. Okay? That is the answer. Okay, please double check with the answer. Please double check the answer. I don't have the textbook. So you guys need to check the answer. RT equals to 3T. That is the first answer for 5A. Okay, please double check answer dekat jawapan buku teks. I tak ada buku teks. So korang tolong check. Okay, kalau betul, okay lah. Kalau salah, tolong inform I. Okay, tapi this is the idea. So every 1 second, every second, there will be expand. So if the time is 1, it become 3 times 1. If the time is 10 seconds, so 3 times 10. So it become 30. Okay, jawapan dia, okay, Mila, okay, correct. Okay, thank you. So settle 5A. That's what I call hot question because you need to create your own function. So kalau A dah salah, what happened to B and C? It will be problem. So from now, please do more and more exercise. Okay, for B question. If area equals to, if A is the area of the ripple, explain the meaning of composite function ART. Okay, ART. What is that means? Okay. Sekejap, ada orang message. Tinggal 5 Sekejap lagi I reply this form 5 only message. Okay, kita balik semula. Okay, so kita balik semula soalan. If A is the area of the ripple, explain the meaning of composite function of ART. Okay, sangat mudah. A is the area. Okay. And then explain what is mean by the composite ART here. Okay, what does this mean? Okay. So that means this one ART means this is a composite, alright? Kita kena buat macam ayat lah. Okay, actually this one actually is the function of area in term of time. That's all. The function of area in term of time. Why I call in term of time? Because inside the bracket, the T words is using here. We use a huruf T here. That's why in term of time. Kalau inside the bracket is X, in term of X. So that means kalau let's say this is X, area, the function of area in term of X. But this one, the function of area in term of time. Okay, that will be the soalan, the jawapan lah. If A is an area of ripple, explain the meaning of composite. Okay, explain the meaning of this composite ART. So that means A is the function of area in term of time. That's all. Please double check jawapan. Okay, dia tak ada tanya calculation, dia just want the question asking just asking explain the definition of ART, that's all. Okay, and the third question, please double check the answer. Okay, find the value of area of the ripple tank after 30 second. Ini yang seronok. Ini baru betul. Ini baru betul soalan, the calculation. Okay, find the area. We want to find this area after 30 seconds. 30 seconds, that means we want to find area and also involving time, right? 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, that means there's a huruf T there. So that is the reason why the B question is about. We need to find the answer for question B here. Okay, so ART, that means is the composite. So before we solve the problem, area of a circle actually equals to what? A equals to pi r squared. Area equals to pi r squared. And we know that r in terms of time is given by equals to 3t. So r in terms of time equals to 3t. Okay. Now a equals to pi r squared, rt equals to 3t. Now we need to compose this makcik so that therefore a, look at the question B, ART, ART equals to what? ART, look at here, ART, A is a pi r squared. Look at the A, we got pi and r squared. R here, we got R here, RT. RT here equivalent to 3T. So this huruf R you need to sub with 3T. Okay, so it become pi 9T, pi 3T squared. It's just a normal composite. Because RT we need to insert into A, right? When we insert RT into A, look at the function of A, we got pi r squared. Huruf R here, we need to replace with RT. RT is 3T. So it become pi big bracket squared. Supposedly here is R, right? Pi r squared. But now the R is no longer here, but we replace it with 3T because RT equals to 3T. Now 3T squared equals to what? Pi 9T squared. Okay, the answer will be 9T squared pi. Okay, that's the composite function for ART equals to 9T squared pi. Now, this is not the answer because the soalan asking you find the area when the time is 30 seconds. Now we have T here. There's no longer R. Huruf T, right? So 90, T is now is 30 seconds. Substitute 30 seconds so that it become 930 squared pi. So you're supposed to get 30, 900, 981. So 81. Okay, you're supposed to get 8,100 pi. That will be the answer for area when the time is 30 seconds. Please double check the answer. Okay, betul atau tak? I just leave my answer in terms of pi. If the jawapan belakang tak ada pi, that means you need to start with pi. If jawapan belakang ada pi, that means this will be the answer. Okay, I don't know the answer, but double check. Okay, that is the end of exercise 1.7. Okay, now it's already 12:40. So I think maybe we can stop until here. Then maybe intensive practice to 1.2. Maybe we can do in the next class. All right. So if you guys have any question, you guys may refer to this video again. Okay, I will upload this video. So and also the video for number 3 and number 4 that we discussed last week. Okay, so if any question, you may leave the your question in the live comment. Okay, so kalau tak ada apa-apa, kita dismiss lah. Okay, thank you guys.